handstands. To start our handstand off, we need to think about a lunge shape. So take a big step for me, please. Okay, stretch your arms up by your ears. Okay, now we're making this lunge shape, bend this knee slightly. Okay, so that we can keep our straight shape all the way through our handstand. So our hands go onto the floor and we're trying to keep this straight shape here. We're pointing our toes, stretching our legs, stretch those knees, point those toes, and then we do exactly the same on the way down. Big step down, reach back. Oh, where did this leg go? And step back, stretch nice and tall. Okay, now when we're first learning our handstands, okay, we do not want you to tip all the way over. So start off small and slowly build it up. We're going to start off with a little handstand. We don't want it to kick all the way over. Just try your best. Very nice. Start with your arms up tall and finish with them up tall. Have your feet together and do a bigger step into your handstand and a big kick of those legs. And reach back, stretch up tall. Very nice. Right, I'm going to ask you to swap over. Right, here with one of our experienced gymnasts, I'm going to show you this straight shape all the way through. Stretch up tall. Big step into this handstand. Keep that straight shape all the way through. Now by doing that big lunge, we keep that straight shape. Step back. Okay, I'm going to do it a little bit slower for you so that you can see. So she lunges forwards, big lunge, and we've got this straight shape here, all the way through, all the way through, all the way through this handstand. Okay, tuck that bottom under, push through these shoulders. Very nice, that's the straight shape that we want to see. Going to see it once more. Practice this skill as much as you can. Try and challenge yourself to hold it for longer and longer and longer.